Go ahead, talk about it.
Yeah, this is Sweet Broom. It's funny, it named Sweet Broom, but when you brew it and you make a tea out of it, it's bitter. but it's good, keep your blood bitter, and you could use it on a regular basis as a tea. Just keep it healthy, you know, bitter your blood. It's fight to have simple stuff in your blood, you know. You know, otherwise from the mosquito infections we know, like malaria and filaria, they gotta find ones. Well, these days deal with that. I like me, I can't remember. I never got malaria.
Yeah.
I drink my bitters regularly.
He had what part of stool.
Yeah, so that's it. Sweet Broom.
All right.